now, the college must go on in the 7 or 6 days basis. Because in the corporate sector is changing many days. In the future, if they will change the schedule from 5 days to 6 days, then if the colleges will be continuing 5 days, then the candidates which are short new, then they will be facing a much more problem. So the college must conduct the classes in 6 days.
Anyone of you like to ask questions?
I have a question. So you were saying that the corporate might change their structure of 5 days in the future. For the MNC, multinational organization, it means that it's 5 working days. Weekends are always off. Since time immemorial, this process has been going on. It can never be changed. It's not changing. I don't think it will be changing in the future, because abroad if you go, weekends are always off. So for that, the many MNCs are existing in India. They set up more than 5,000 Fortune 500 companies. So in that case, this is quite irrelevant to say that they are going to change it. What do you say on that?
If you will be seeing it overall basis, many are not MNCs. Many kind of are getting equated. They are not going to MNCs directly.
But they are following the same Indian culture, because MNCs are predominating in India.
Yeah, the Indian government changes by time to time. They may change the culture. If the candidate is going direct to MNC.
Can you cite an example? Is it happening? Has it ever happened in the past?
Sorry, sir?
Has it ever happened in the past that the Indian concept, Indian companies have changed their 5 days schedule to 6 days schedule?
Yes, sir. In case of let me ask for the Big Bazaar actually.
Big Bazaar is not a company. This is something different.
Yes, sir. I know about Future Group actually. Future Group. Future Group before the group which are installing came to the corporate sector, they were working 6 days. Sunday was a holiday period. In the Future Group, it is 7 days of working period. And the one
It's an industry is retail industry, which is for the public. Something which is service industry, it goes and works for that 6 days.
That is not totally fully based that every candidate is going to service industry only. In the industry, they may go to any group. So we must be taking it in overall basis. We not talking about overall basis. We cannot specify anything.
Thank you, sir. Now, what would you like to say, sir, about this policy of 6 days students going to college?
I think college should be college open should be 5 days, working days should be 5 days, and it helps to if the 5 days working days, then it helps to help the students to making the courses different courses which is applicable from the corporate sector, like C or extracurricular activities like C or maybe other courses, but in the BPUT. But in the BPUT, the courses are not so vast. The lecturers should complete the courses in the 5 days. So we should work.
Okay, so it means you conclude that students should get extra time to take their parts in other curricular activities.
No, sir. I want to say one thing. In corporate world, when the boss asks to work on Sunday, he will work. If the boss will ask him to work at 11 p.m. at night, he will work. But if you will ask any student to come on Sunday, he will not come. He will not read at night to the college. So there should be sufficient time for the teachers to teach the students.
Yes,
He had minimum 6 days. He should be minimum 6 days to teach the students.
Yes, I agree with you on because he is also saying that minimum 6 days because he is also having a point. If the base will be strong, then the building is elect.
I think the working day should be 5. If he helps the student, because the student will be the lecturer should be.
One thing I want to say, in corporate world the working time can be extended or minimized at any moment. But in college or in studies institution, it is not possible to minimize or maximize at any moment.
I have an answer to just clarify your doubt. Let me tell you one thing. Now you have seen the NASSCOM and Aspiring Minds. The NASSCOM is such an agent and Aspiring Mind. There are two agents who are bridging the gap between education and corporate industry. They have just come out with the fact that entire engineering population out of 100%, only 4.22% population they are fit for the kind of product industry, like telecom industry, like Siemens, we have Nokia and all the things. And rest 17% they are employable only for service industry, IT services. So we talk about if you combine this, between 21%, 22% engineers across the India are employable. Fine. In that case, you find a very deplorable picture. India, country like India, where every year there are 14,86,000 engineers are passing out, but the employment level is 22%. Don't you think if you run this 5 days scheduled program in a college, 5 days classes and the rest want the Saturday, let's use it for activities. We're talking about programs, we're talking about training which you are getting at the final year. If you use Saturday, every Saturday for activities, for a kind of workshop, for a kind of seminar, for an activity where all people participate, don't you think that is going to help you?
Yes sir, it will be helpful. Then it is also a working day for the students.
I have a question.
Means they have to come 6 days to the college.
Yeah, 6 days.
They have to come to the 6 days to the college.
Fine. But we're talking about 5 to the 6 days. Let's 6 days, use the 6 days.
I have a question for you.
According to me, that is right in this way that if the student is to be acquainted with that type of strategy, like 6 days strategy, then he can be able to join that corporate world.
But the especially when they get time to do their extracurricular activities, do they get time?
Okay, the one more thing, even if we are taking a 5 days courses, in the 6 days schedule also the colleges are not able to complete the courses fully. The students are suffering for that also. If we can decreasing the time period from 6 days to 5 days, then there is nothing to read. Then we only 20% of the question will be covered.
Okay, anyone from the audience want to ask a question on this?
Yes.
Well, don't you think so that 5 days is sufficient for the BPD course or as well as any engineering or any type of courses? I don't think so, because 5 day course is enough to get it over. And the 6th day, what I would suppose academic and research paper should be there, because people should be situated or they should fund oriented or they should be learning oriented. So what I do think so 5 days is sufficient, because the whole day, because the whole 6 months or 8 months what the student or student is, it is sufficient, isn't it?
Yeah, see, if you have 5 days also, if I do 4 days also committed, but the college are not able to teach in 6 days also. Then how can they have capable of
I have a point to add to his views. Like even find entire BPD curriculum, find there are many days that are being wasted on strike.
Yes.
Every time examination schedule is out, you go for a strike to postpone it. And so you are wasting more than a month, more than 30-35 days on strike. Then we have summer vacations. We have many festivities. India is a country where festive occasions are many. Fine, so it's wasting our time. Do you think this 5 days is enough? Or that 6 days is necessary?
Well, sir,
There are also colleges who are doing classes on Sundays also. They force students to come to finish the course. What do you say on
but
that?
that means you are limited only to the syllabus and the sectional courses only, because there is no improvement that is got into personal development and research oriented or anything new that is new technology oriented to the investments and some critical and some learning activities, etc. What I told before, those will not completed, because if you are restricted your brain to this simple course only, you complete the simple course in 5 days.
now also, in this period also you have to manage the time only. From now if you will managing time, then you will be capable of doing it.
So when this course will be offered, when this course we will do go for.
There are many classes of them in every courses. They can clarify in the Sunday, there is total holiday. If the student can, they don't need a funding. Government sector, they are giving holiday because they have to work from morning 9 to right at the night also. So they have to complete the other household work. So they are giving a Saturday as holiday and also Sunday. They need some holiday.